Hello everyone, how are you doing? My name is Emily, I'm just an ordinary woman, and I'm fed up with all the lies and deception out there. That's why I need to warn you all to stop believing in internet gurus and the endless misinformation from an industry that only wants to profit off of us. My mission here is to prove to you that there is always a solution. You just need the right knowledge and an open mind to explore new possibilities. For many years, I suffered from bullying and societal prejudice because of my weight, not to mention serious health issues. First, I developed type 2 diabetes due to obesity and an unhealthy diet. Then I started experiencing heart problems, and the worst part of it all was the mental depression that made me cry all the time. While I was stuck in this state of weakness and vulnerability, I tried everything I could to turn my situation around. I bought every product I saw online, believing it would make me lose weight. I spent a lot of money I couldn't afford to waste, and nothing I tried actually worked. Then one day, my doctor, Dr. Peter, a dear friend, told me about a groundbreaking new study from Ivy League, conducted on real people, which revealed the importance of good bacteria and how the gut microbiome plays a crucial role in regulating the body and fighting visceral fat. It was like a light at the end of the tunnel. I left the doctor's office feeling excited and immediately started researching this study to learn more about the topic. I spent countless hours studying and understanding the difference between good and bad bacteria. That's when I came across a statement from the director of the Microbiome Therapies Initiative at Stanford University, calling this the clearest evidence to date that gut bacteria can cause weight gain. And the more I researched, the more I found supporting studies from major universities like Harvard, Yale, and Johns Hopkins, all linking specific strains of lean bacteria to a balanced, healthy body. After diving deep into the subject and searching for something that contained these beneficial bacteria, I finally found LeanBiome, a unique, patented formula that is the first in the world to combine 9 clinically studied lean bacteria strains with Greenselect Phytosome, a next-generation, caffeine-free green tea extract formulated with patented phytosome technology for enhanced absorption. Together, this advanced blend of ingredients helps rapidly reverse the bacterial imbalance in the gut microbiome, the newly discovered root cause of belly fat and unexplained weight gain. So I decided to test it out along with some friends. And to our surprise, in less than 3 months, we experienced amazing results and incredible achievements. I personally lost about 8% body fat, around 20 pounds, significantly reduced belly fat, and all my friends saw similar results. The best part? My medical tests improved dramatically, and my diabetes levels dropped to an insignificant level after a few months. The secret behind this formula lies in its delayed-release capsules, which resist stomach acids and reach the gut microbiome intact, allowing the beneficial bacteria to be released exactly where they are needed. Honestly, ladies, I wish every woman could experience the joy I feel today. My husband looks at me differently, I receive compliments everywhere I go, and I feel absolutely beautiful when I look in the mirror. I've regained my self-love, my confidence, my style, and most importantly, my happiness. Believe in your own strength. We all have so much life ahead of us, and our health is essential to our happiness.